This index cards are probably one of my favorite things that I use in my card making business for something a little other than cards. And I'm going to show you how to take them from drab to fab, a product that's probably just under or over $1. If you can change the margin settings in your printer, I promise you, you can take them from drab to fab in all different kinds of ways. And what I use the index cards for are to make a variety of different things, If you can set your printer up for a printing margin of 4x6 or 3x5, you too can do this. I even think you can do it in Word. The newest version of Word, you can format printing a finished product to 3x5 or 4x6. But anyway, I use them as thank you notes. So anytime someone orders from my Etsy vanity gallery, where I've sold about 11,000 Women Humoring greeting cards that are more pithy than Punchline, and if you're at all curious, I'll put the link below. But whether you've ordered one card or a dozen cards, I'm going to treat you like a star. So I'll write you a personal note. And these days, I'm including a little promo piece about my YouTube channel because I'm hoping to get people to subscribe to the channel. That's kind of why I'm doing this video. So I hope you'll subscribe to this channel. That's my ask today. That's my ask. But anyway, but you can use this as kind of a business card, put a little promotional information about yourself. This is a logo I use, works perfectly with my bleached blonde hair, which has been bleached blonde for so long, I'm surprised I'm not bald. And for so many years, I don't know the amount. Numbers are not important to me. But anyway, I create all kinds of cards, and the coolest tool I've bought, and I'm going to show you a little clip, is this little corner cutter, this soft corner cutter that I found at Hobby Lobby. That was also pretty reasonable. It was between 6 and 10. This is my favorite toy. It takes, I swear to God, it takes the card up a whole notch. It just looks a little richer. But anyway.
So here's just a demonstration of the same design, scaled for 3x5 or 4x6. And here is that fabulous corner cutter that I love. This is my favorite toy. Look at that. From squared off to softly cornered off. I don't know if you can see it with the contrast there, but this is the best toy I bought, and I think it was just under $10, maybe just a dot over 6. And this gives me 3 different corner options.
Watch the budget. But again, just look at the difference when you take that little bit of a cut on the corner. And as with many of my cards, of course, I have her fair-skinned, and I have her in a more colorful vanity. So one thing that's kind of interesting if you're going to do cards, print index cards, if you use a design, it's proportionally the same if you, let's say, designed it at 3x5, and then you just change the proportions to 4x6. You really don't have to make any adjustments. It's all about not forgetting to set your printer to the right margins, and just creating whatever comes to mind. You know, something that doesn't take up something that doesn't take up a lot of space or a lot of ink. I'm always watching these. What's great about these as business cards is they're just a little bigger than a standard business card. So somebody's not going to throw it out. They're not going to toss it out. And it may not fit directly into a wallet, but they may use it as a bookmark. Your information will stay maybe a bit more current with them. But anyway, I'm going to show you some of my cards. I'm going to have them floating by, or I'm posting them here, and show you that the only thing that limits you is your own ideas. So have fun. Again, where else can you buy a product for a little over $1 and a little under $1 and creatively have no limitations? That's what I'm saying. So let me know if this has been fun for you to see, something you might do. I sell them as sets in my Etsy vanity gallery. Again, I'll leave the link below. And sometimes I'll give out, let's say, 4 or 5 to someone who's placed a fairly large order. And it doesn't have to be a large order. Like I said, I treat everybody like gold. You just can't go wrong. So anyway, I hope you have fun with this. In the meantime, love, peace, and chicken grease, and keep wearing accessories, because we've got to save the world one accessory at a time. That's how I feel.